god. خلاص. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna... Can I just, Zane, please? Stop, dude, I'll just mute you. Stop it. Make a custom game and make it 3v3. Let's go.
How is it gonna be 3v3 with 5 people?
Oh yeah, no, 3v2, and I'll be on one of the teams. It's okay.
Okay, you and Tarek.
Oh god, okay. No, me and Rana, come here, Rana. Come on. Me and Rana, okay?
Okay. How does one
I'll make it.
Okay, no, I got it.